Hi friends, welcome back to Feathersuit. In today's topic, as you are seeing now, I'll be completely in depth. I'll be telling each and everything about pigeons. I'm not in a hurry, guys. I'll be taking you all in a step by step so that I'll be coming with part one, part two, and part three videos of this. So guys, what you're seeing is an high flyers. I have come to a aviary which is in my locality. So this loft is called Garudeshwara loft, and here you can see all types of no high flyers which you can see in and around Bangalore as well as Karnataka. So guys, when you are having any bird as a pet, so as I kept on mentioning in almost all my videos, so to have some decent knowledge about it so that you can bring the bird. But when it comes to pigeons, it's entirely different scenario, guys. If you are planning for a bird, if you are starting to raise the pigeons, so that keep that in mind, so that you bring the bird from a very good line, and the bird which has make a very good name and frame. Okay, so what you're seeing here, guys, are once again the chicks of one of the high flyers. So here you can see a no pair of no tamral and other bird. So this loft is run by a very youngsters, guys, who are very much fascinated and very much interested to enroll themselves in the upcoming tournaments. So the birds what they have is Makshi, Tiruval, Gerbaz, uh, Pilanka, Tamral, Dubas, Chini, Tara, Gerva, and Regdar, respectively. So all these birds which I told you, guys, are once again and very highly demanding birds, and all these birds they are brought from the people who had made a very good name by leaving their birds house together to fly, and who has registered themselves in the records book. So and also I would like to mention one particular thing, guys. The highest high flyer uh, Karnataka record is made by a particular category bird called Sabja, which has flew for 13 hours and 15 minutes respectively, guys. Like 13 hours is not that big. It's not a joke, guys. It's a very big thing. Training them for hours together with a very good dedication and with a very good balanced diet for that particular bird or a group of birds is very very special thing. And hats off to all the pigeon lovers in and across Bangalore and India, because they are making a very good a habit of making themselves registered in the gear in the book of records. So as you can see here, guys, since I have come in a off season, so that I got a chance to see them very playful, and you can see many birds feathers are clipped because they are in to off season, so that the tournaments are conducted in the breezy season, so that that will be a very much supportive for a bird to fly for a longer duration. So here you can see a small compartments of birds which are kept, and when it comes to a diet also, they maintain special diets for special occasions. So when they are in the breeding, they maintain special diet, and when they are making their birds preparing for upcoming tournaments, then their diets will be very much different. So this about the small video, guys. Hope you like this, and kindly share, like, and subscribe my channel to come up to make me to come up with a very unique videos. The bird what you're seeing is a bird. It's a female bird called Makshi, which has made names in 3 or 4 tournaments by winning and making the fancier proud. So this bird is very it's around more than 7 to 8 years, guys. and again they are making this bird to prepare for upcoming tournaments. So as you can see here, guys, this bird is a very unique and very good looking and attractive bird. So I wanted to show you all because this has made themselves to recognize within the particular locality. So I am not exactly sure about the name what they have kept, but this particular category bird name is Makshi. And so this is about the small video, guys. Hope you liked my this video. Please do support me in the same manner. This is Chaitan signing off from Feather. So thank you once again.